But X-rays should not be able to tell color of clothing. All right, so Superman has X-ray vision. There's a scene in one of the movies where Lois Lane walks behind a lead planter because he asks, "Oh, if you have X-ray vision," in her first interview, then what color panties am I wearing? Because you're standing behind a lead planter. Because everyone knows lead
Absorbs
absorbs
X-rays.
X-rays, but X-rays should not be able to tell color of clothing. Okay, if you're going to use X-rays, then stay in the X-ray world. Otherwise, invent N-rays or something. If you're going to say X-rays, you better stick with what we know.
Well, X-rays, as many of you know, they go right through our bodies, right? And they go through different materials and wind up with different colors. For example, our bones look different from our soft tissues and things like that. X-ray telescopes that we're familiar with, the Chandra X-ray Observatory, XMM Newton, things like that, they can look at the X-rays, but X-rays are also different colors. So in the same way that we can take pictures in red, green, and blue and then mix them together to form a color photo, Superman could be able to detect or even emit X-rays and come back and forth in these different bands and thus create a three-color image.
This is an undeveloped feature he could have expressed. He's got X-rays as a whole accessible part of the electromagnetic spectrum,
That's right.
and all he does is just see through walls with it.
Yes.
But it's way more useful.
Highly
Well, maybe he's
underdeveloped.